Hey guys, just want to make a quick video letting you know that fuel factor, it does work. Fuel factor X. This right here, I put it in my tank the other day and instantaneously I saw the increase in the miles per gallon and I have a 2023 Kia Telluride, so you guys know how much gas I'm putting into that joker every week. And I'm still at, I think I'm at 390 miles left on the tank. And I've done a lot of driving over the past couple of days. So the fuel factor X, it works. It is a great product, and I cannot wait to see how it's going to perform after the third or fourth try. So stand by, wait for more videos. Until then, have a good one, guys.